Hello, this is Ben with Joy's Gaming Electronics. Today I'll be showing you guys how to reset your Garmin watch Venu 3. Pretty simple. First, you're going to need your watch booted up. Next, what you're going to do is hold the very button right here. It'll take you right here. You can click settings. You're going to scroll down. You're going to go to system. Scroll down. And you can see reset. You click reset. And you're going to click delete data. And click yes. And pretty much that is how you do it. It's really easy and simple. Now it's just going to be deleting all the data and resetting the whole watch to how it came in with the box. So there we go. It's done resetting. All the parts for this watch will be in the description, as well as the repair services for this watch. If you guys break a screen, if you guys break the back cover, or the battery is dying really quick, you could always fill out the form down below.
Hey Joe, what are you doing in there?
Trying to fix my headphones to save some money.
That sure is a strange way to save money. Why don't you try switching to our channel partner, Mint Mobile, instead? They have the largest 5G network in the nation.
Is that the reference company?
No, I mean, it's not minty fresh like that, but they can save you a bunch of money. Their plans start at just $15 a month. How much do you pay?
I pay $80.
Dude, that's insane. It only takes like 15 minutes to switch over. You could save so much money. You could get yourself a new office. You can fix your headphones up right.
Sounds good. I'm gonna switch right now. If you switch too, check out the link in our description.
All right, well, check it out, Joe. Have a good one.